Seats, Bark Seats.
My name is Darrell Power. We're here in Mount Pearl, Newfoundland, beautiful Mount Pearl, Newfoundland, with the Mount Pearl Intermediate grade 9 students. They're studying World War II, and I'm going to play a war song for them now that I wrote probably 2007. It's called When Johnny Came Back from the War. If I remember the words. When Johnny came back from war, he was more of a man than he ever was before. Crippled and broken and battered and poor. When Johnny came back from the war, his face had a permanent smile, but his eyes told a story it would scare a young child. Bloodshot and swollen and blackened and white. When Johnny came back from the war, oh, and one day a year all the people draw near. Plastic poppies are worn by the free. They remember the war and the families it tore, from a kneeler and a cushion and knee. When Johnny came back from the war, when Johnny came back from the war. And it ends, he was all alone when he died. Old drunk on a Friday, no friends by his side. The younger kids laughed and the older ones sighed. When Johnny came back from the war, and one day all the people draw near. Plastic poppies are worn by the free. They remember the war and the families it tore, from a kneeler